Hello everyone, and welcome to another episode of Blue Square SEO and Digital Marketing Podcast. I'm your host Paul Burkett from Blue Square Management, and today I'm going to be talking about how to use video SEO to optimize your YouTube videos and why video SEO is so important. If you know anything at all about online marketing, you know that search engine optimization, also known as SEO, is an important component of any internet marketing strategy. When you optimize your website properly, you increase the chances that your page will appear high on the list of search results, which in turn makes it more likely that customers searching for your keywords will end up on your website. Creating a short and compelling marketing video is a great idea for any business, but in order to get the best return of your investment, you will need to optimize your videos. Every piece of content you create should be geared towards promoting your business and improving your search results. The good news is that, unlike some other elements of SEO, optimizing a marketing video is actually fairly easy. Here are some tips to help you. 1. Put your target keyword in the file name of your video. Google search engines give the most weight to keywords which appear in prominent places, titles, URLs, etc. So, do yourself a favour and put your main keyword in your file name. The file name becomes part of your URL, so you're killing two birds with one stone. 2. Include your primary keywords in your script. Don't overdo it, but choose one or two keywords that you want to optimise for and use them in an organic way. Since you want to target local customers, be sure to include the city, area of your keywords. 3. Make sure your video content is relevant to your customers. Search engine algorithms aren't only concerned with keywords, your content must be useful and relevant as well. 4. Don't just put your video on your website, share it to other places too. When you post it on YouTube and your social media sites, you will increase its visibility. 5. When you post your video on the other sites, make sure to include your chosen keywords in the meta description of the video. 6. Allow your video to be rated on YouTube. If it receives high ratings, it will be more visible to the search engines and can also help to encourage viewers to share your video. 7. When you post a video on your page, include a written transcript of it beneath the video. Not only will this give you another mention of your primary keyword, but it may also help you to increase conversions. 8. Add an RSS feed of your videos. This will ensure that your customers can subscribe to be informed of new content, and will also make it easier for search engines to index your site. 9. Have a separate landing page for each video on your site. Search engines can read individual pages more easily, and having multiple videos on one page can be confusing for viewers too. 10. Make it possible for other people to embed your video on their sites. When you do that, you encourage sharing and also increase the chances you will get relevant inbound links, a must for SEO. Hope you found this episode helpful, and see you in the next Blue Square SEO and Digital Marketing Podcast. To keep you up to date with our latest podcasts, you can follow us on Anchor.fm, Spotify and Apple Podcast. Blue Square Management have created a free monthly digital marketing magazine that aims to help small businesses get more customers, clients or patients, increase your sales and help grow your business. It provides useful hints and tips on all online marketing topics, including SEO, pay-per-click advertising, social media marketing, review and reputation management, video marketing, web design and much more. To get this free digital marketing magazine sent to your email inbox each month, just go to www.bluesquaremanagement.com and subscribe.